Ladies and gentlemen, it is taste test time. Another Five Below snack. These are Vidal filled gummies. They're chili peppers. I'm a little frightened, but we're going to give it a shot. See how these are. We're going to get right down to it. We're just going to snip them open. See how these actually look, smell. Oh my god. They have a gummy, smell, but they have the chili smell in that as well. And they look like chili peppers. They have the texture of like really soft gummies. They look like chili peppers. That's nuts. I guess I might as well just dig right in, right? Wish me luck. They are definitely filled. And they don't have much of a chili flavor. I feel like maybe it's going to sneak up on me a little bit, but the whole thing. No. There's not much to them. Honestly, they're kind of boring. I was kind of hoping it would be better. I mean, maybe a little fruit flavor in there. It says hot and sweet. The perfect treat. Can you handle it? It's got some sweet. It doesn't have any hot. Maybe I'll just give these a 5 out of 10. Nothing to them. And that's it. Thanks a lot.